And here we go. I am a little bit exhausted, so it's been a little bit of a day, but we are going to do this thing. Yeah, we are. Okay, let's see. Why is my... Okay. If anyone's here, I cannot see you yet. I have just been working out some technical things on my stream, and we'll be with you momentarily. Grab my tablet so I can actually keep track of my stream. That might be a good idea, because my phone has died and does not want to let me do much of anything. Okay. Getting reset up here. Kind of just using Chris's streaming room. Oh, goodness. Okay. Okay. Cool. So far, so good. So far, so good. Apologize for the delay. Should have probably taken care of this before starting the stream. Ooh, no. Didn't mean to twirl you around there. That's not what I want to do. That's what I want to do. Working out equipment here. Come on, do the thing. I want you to do the thing, tablet. Okay, my tablet's not doing the thing. So we're just going to go ahead and the amount of annoyance I have for my technology right now is really, really something. Okay. Honey tabbies. Make sure they're collecting quartz. got lots of floats over here too. Definitely going to have to get all of my slimes more food, it would seem. Yeah, definitely. Oh, oops. Okay. I'll come back for those relatively quickly. Those two. Okay. I will be able to see the chat shortly. I cannot see it right now. But I am firing back up my tablet. Gotta go back over there, but I want to check this out first. Let's see, do I have everything? Yes. Gonna take care of collecting all the ports, and then I'm going to get the food for all the creatures. Oh, how are these doing? Puddles. Cute little puddles. Oh, the incinerator. Ooh, these are angry. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Hey. Oh, those are so angry. Super volatile those are. Okay. Meat and fruit. Hmm. Okay, what do you eat? Meat and fruit, cool. So we're gonna go ahead and grab up some fruit here. because meat's all the way on the other side of my branch. Now, okay, let's bring this one here. Hongo fruit. Oh, looks like they still have some in their thing. It's what do you eat again? I would like to. Okay, meat. So purely meat on those. I feel like these need to be fed, and that will calm them down some. I hope. No. Oh. Or they'll become even more angry. Whichever. Oh. Oh goodness. Okay. What do you eat? Fruit or meat? Cool. So meat it is for you guys. Everything. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna get some vegetables for the one that can eat everything. Okay. This one takes meat. Okay, I would really appreciate my stream manager working about now. There we go. We have a few too many roosters as well. Just a few. Okay. The babies. Okay, let's see. You can go there. Where's the roosters? The roosters are here. Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. Perfect. I am hopefully now in my stream manager. If things weren't loading super slowly. Okay, I already gave them some things to eat. These are meat, right? Fruit and meat. Okay, cool. I walked right into my own trap here. Okay. What does my puddle eat? I wonder what happens if I give these guys a water fort. My Steam info should have been changed, Katniss. Yeah, unless it's glitching. Me and Chris have had a problem that the stream information updating has been glitching out on both of us. So it's a glitch on Steam at the Twitch stream info glitching. Yeah, Twitch's problem. But yes, that's a thing that is happening. But I do promise that on my end it is. I do have it changed to say slime ranching. It's just being stubborn. Ooh, those are so volatile though. Can one of you please eat one of those? Because I want to see what happens. Oh, goodness. Hi. Oh. We are doing fine. We are doing fine. This is supposed to be cozy. Oh. Did it do anything? Okay. Time to go out and about. Or I could fill orders. I think I'll fill orders. Okay. I need these ports. Okay. I think I can get those. I think I can get those. Gosh, I hope so. Because the fire ones seem quite volatile. Oh, goodness. Okay. I need 7 of the pink ones, which should be right here. So far there are 6. I didn't see how many of these I need, but, oof. Okay. Hopefully I don't need more than 12. And we're just gonna go ahead and reactivate that. Whew. I need another puddle. I need more puddles. Because they're so cute. The puddle slimes are cute. Oh, I also have slimes somewhere else. Where did I put those? Oh no, that's a problem. Oh dear. Oh, they only needed 2. Okay, cool. Then all of these can go. Oh. This key. Ah! Bad chicken. Running away from me like that. How dare. I think I know where my other slimes are. It's been a minute since I played this game. Although it is my favorite, like, cozy, just need a minute Feel chest tight, tight chest feel. Social anxiety bad, but here. Oh, I forgot I have plort storage back here. Lots and lots of plort storage. I forgot I was doing back stock on that and on vegetables. This area tends to be full of chickens and lots of vegetables to throw in there. But first, let's go find where I put... Oh, there's some pink slimes over here. Oh, it's a little honey slime. These are pink honey largo. Their diet is fruit. Or everything? That's a honey slime. And the rest are pink honey largo. Oh, I do want the auto feeder. Sure, let's just go ahead and... Yeah. There we go. It just has everything. Auto feeder, auto harvester, cool. Moving on, I have more somewhere. Are they out this way? Was it this way or the other way? It's the other way, isn't it? Vacuum up a chicken. That's a portal. Don't need to take the portal. Need to go down the docks here. Because I believe my other slimes are down here. And they are interesting slimes. Oh, yes. Fire kitty slime. Fire kitty? Fire kitty angry. More places to put the jelly signs, the puddle signs. More places for puddles. I was hoping some puddle slime would spawn in here, but I'm not seeing any. Okay, what can I do off this way? Anything? Anything at all? Other than launch things off the... Okay. I'll be honest, I don't really read these. As much of a lore nerd as I am, this game is for my mind to check out on. I prefer to check out my brain during this game. Bye-bye, brain. Bye-bye. Smooth brain. I'm just gonna give these some carrots for now. Am I playing this game perfectly? Probably not. Do I care? Also, no. Vacuuming up chickens. Nothing quite says peace and contentment like vacuuming up chickens. Ah. Oh, more veggies. Where do I put these carrots? There was a place to put the carrots. I know I have a place to put the carrots. Up. Chicken. Chickens. Okay. Every time I move back to leave, more chickens. Oof. Yeah, now it's time for the 7 pink boards. I can put these in here. Oh, honey kitties. Yep, that's what I need. Yay! I think that's enough, Slime Rancher, for now. I'm not feeling too great, so I am going to head off, and I will see you soon.